Todd, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to just do a quick walk around of my pre-owned inventory that I have here. I know you're kind of shopping for a friend's daughter, so just wanted to maybe show you this so you can kind of show her and see if anything catches her eye. Here at Toyota Melbourne, we do have Toyota vehicles that are certified. So what that means is it has a nice certified warranty on the vehicle. It has to pass a 160-point inspection for the vehicle to be certifiable. You do get a 1-year 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from the day that you purchase the vehicle, as well as a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which starts from the date of manufacturing. And then you also get a 1-year complimentary roadside. So these are all the vehicles that I have here ready for retail. So they are ready for sale. If you have any questions, you can certainly reach out to me, 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.